Well, it's obviously better than the last time I was here.
Sure.
I think the disengagement, particularly the Depsang, Demchok, was important. We are now addressing, to some extent, issues on the border because there's been a force build-up over a period of years. But there were many other things which also happened during this period. Some of it was a collateral of the situation. Some of it was actually a carryover from the COVID era. For example, our flights, direct flights stopped during COVID. They were not resumed. The Kailash Mansarovar Yatra stopped during COVID. It did not again resume. So I think there is work to be done. We are at it. We are, sort of trying to see whether a lot of this post-COVID and, parallel to the border tension, the combination of these issues, how much we can progress on this. We are looking at it because at the end of the day, we have always maintained that the situation which we saw between 2020 and 2024 was not in the interest of either country. It was not in the interest of our relationship. And I think there is a recognition of that now.
So it's on the road to being normal again?
Well, I think we are moving in a positive direction. The problem with your profession is you want instantaneous transformation. The challenge of my profession is it's a very arduous and painstaking one.
I'm glad that we are sticking to each other's respective professions.